Hey friends, how are you? Here is August's box. I'm sorry, I'm a little behind in getting this out, but it's a very pretty box. It's called Purr and Polished. Welcome to Purr and Polished, a chic, oh my, collection of black and white beads with a shimmer of amethyst sparkle curated to inspire sleek, elegant designs with a hint of mystery. Nestled among the gems, you'll find a playful surprise, personality, packed cat charms, ready to leap into your next creation and make it truly unforgettable. Yay! Usually I have a nicer mat. I cannot find my nice mat. We moved my desk around and everything. Oh, it looks worse. So, sorry about that. This looks pretty ugly. But here we go. We got crystal opals, 4mm. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, look at these silver beads. These are Thinacast metal beads, silver plated, 3mm. Very pretty. Some more silver Miyuki seed beads. So silver. Oh, this is about the laser cutted piece. We'll get there. Ooh, some chattons. I'm not quite sure how. Chattons, how to say it. But I don't know if you can see it, but they're absolutely gorgeous. They're amethyst, but really dark. So maybe if I move it around a little, you can see really gorgeous, pretty purple. Here's the laser cut pieces I was telling you about, and jump rings. So you have to take the paper off. So little kitty cats. Ooh, can't wait to make earrings out of these. Uh-oh, only 3 jump rings? Oh, maybe I dropped one. Oh, there it is. It's still in the bag. Ah, go figure, right? Those are super cute. These are fleur-de-lis. Looks like chocolate or something. Doesn't say the color, but it's got like a brownish color. Or coppery tone. I'm not sure if you can see that online or not. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, hard to know what to make. Oh, a nice silver plated tube so that you can like make a necklace or bracelet on. So it's a connector. Whoa, look at that Rivoli. Ooh, black diamond. Just like a smoky gray. Very pretty. Thank you, Potomac. Ooh, look at that. Very pretty. And these are like hematite round duo beads in jet. Got a nice fun AB on them almost. I don't know if that's AB. I don't know. Shininess to them. And then here's their super duos, brown and gold. Well, jet and bronze. Very pretty. Pull out a couple so you can see that bronze pop out. I don't know if you can see. The camera does not do justice to these. So one is bronze, one is black, but you can't tell the difference. But oh well, very pretty in person. Ooh, smoky 10mm check glass rounds. Very pretty. Nice strand of check glass. Let's see. Probably like crystal round, 4mm or so. That seems about right. what are these? A drop bead in black. Those are different. Look at these end cones. Look at those suckers. Those are huge. Those are fun. Glass oval beads, very pretty. Some nautilus trilobite, I guess. Black, very pretty. And then, ooh, I love these. These are metallic blue iris 8/0s. Very pretty. And then some more. These are chalk white beads. So yeah, what do you think, friends? All right, stay tuned for our design on the fly.